Welcome back to another quick tutorial, this one in After Effects. I just wanted to show you something that you can do to quickly edit your video inside of After Effects, since it's not as intuitive as using Premiere Pro. So if you're using After Effects for the first time, or you've been using it and have just been kind of clicking around and dragging your clips to conform to certain sizes, this is for you. So I've just got a new comp here, and I'm just going to grab some footage that I've got of just flying around this construction site. I've got a full HD comp here, but I want to make sure that I've got it set to my frame size. So I'm just going to hit S on the keyboard, and luckily for me, it's already perfectly conforming to my comp, so I don't need to do any adjustments. So let's say we want to make a cut somewhere right here in my clip. I only want to use those first 3 seconds. First things first, setting up your comp, you're going to want to make sure that under comp settings, you set it to the right duration. So if I set my clip to something longer, now I can drag this out and I can see that I've now set my clip to full 16 seconds. So let's say I want to use the first 3 seconds and then I want to fade to like the last 3 seconds. Pretty straightforward. I'm just going to have this clip highlighted, and on my Mac I'm going to hit Shift, Command, and D. And just like that, it's going to make a cut between this clip, and then it's going to create a second clip that still has footage of my remaining pan around this building. So now I can do the same thing. I can come over here to 12 seconds and highlighting that clip, I'm going to hit Shift Command D, and now I can just blow away this middle clip, and now I've got my 2 clips, and then I just bring this back to the position I need it for transitioning to the next view. Obviously you could add some effects there, but and then let's say at 6 seconds I just want this to end my clip. All I'm going to hit is N on the keyboard, and then I can just click Trim Comp to Work Area. And now I'm into a 6-second long clip, and I've just cut my clips in a very quick and easy way. So just wanted to show you guys that really quickly. Hopefully that was helpful. Please subscribe and comment if you got any questions. Thanks for watching.